Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back with another unboxing video. We're unboxing the Sentry streaming mic from Dark Matter. This is actually a kind of a brand from Monoprice, from what I can tell, because it says Monoprice Corporations on the bottom. But it's a USB-C powered microphone. If you're a gamer, if you're a streamer, you're a content creator, or even a Zoomer, you do a lot of Zoom calls, I think something like this would help improve the audio quality. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside. That's a killer looking microphone. I love this stand. It almost looks like a spider. Okay, so it's got some more. And here's the reveal. Okay, so got some instructions. Looks like there's some assembly involved for the base. There it is. It's made out of steel. Oh, it's even adjustable on this side to get the right angle. That's a great feature. Loving it. Love that. Here is the power cable. Like I said, it is USB-C on the other end. And here's the microphone itself. So look at this thing. It's a hefty duty. Now, from what I understand, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a condenser mic, meaning that it is phantom powered. It's got your dials on the back for your volume control and also your gain. Super simple to use. Now it has the mode button on the top, and that's the 4 different types of pickup patterns. So if you want like an omnidirectional, a bi-directional pickups, you're going to be switched. So super easy. Almost looks too good to be true. So that's why I wanted to check this out, because I'm an audio guy, if you know me. And I'm really, really picky about good audio. So let's see how this works in a real setting. And we'll see in different types of contexts and how that pickup pattern affects the quality of the microphone. So there we go. That is the unboxing of the Sentry streaming mic. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow for the full-on review of this microphone. Of course, we're going to do some audio tests. I'll probably record the entire thing with the mic to prove my point. So that's it for now. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out.